It's kind of like this over here. Yeah. So
yeah. Yeah, I watched basketball, football, tennis.
Blake Griffin broke his hand punching the
And the Clippers said they were considering, once it's the investigation, that they might do something. I don't think they would. Bench him for a while, yeah. Bench him while his fingers actually broke. There, we did something.
Well, they're actually better without it. That's the funny part.
Exactly. All right, guys, let's take a look at this.
this one's not. This is the one.
So I think some of you guys had that moment just now where it clicked. It's that weird perspective moment where you got to realize what it means to approach from below, from above. Some of you guys are like, I want that to happen, Jeff. I want it to happen. So this guy says, as my inputs get really close to -4 from below. So as I get close to -4, what are my outputs doing? So as I do this, my outputs are doing this. What are they getting close to? 2. And of course, if I go from above, as my x's, and I'm not going from above because this is up here. I'm going from above because the x's go there. The x's go there. So as I approach -4 from above, the outputs look to also be going to 2. How are we doing so far? All right. So it's not because the function's up that I'm coming down. No. It's the x's, and then I just look to see what's my function doing as I'm doing this. What's my function doing? Yeah, left and right.
Oh, yeah.
So this is 2. Therefore, this is 2. So I like that. I like the idea of a jury. Everybody on the jury agreed. So there was a verdict. What's the verdict? 2. We all agreed on it, right? So when they don't agree, that's a hung jury. What's the verdict? It doesn't exist. It's beautiful. I love it. What's f with -4?
Undefined.
Beautiful. So see, the limit doesn't care what happens at a point. The limit just cares what it looks like it's going to do. The function cares about what happens at the point. Yes, sir?
So it does not exist when you write as undefined?
Not really. Undefined is the terminology we use with functions.
Yeah.
And does not exist is terminology we use with limits.
Yeah. Okay.
And
Okay, I got you.
yeah, okay, all right. On one level, it's kind of doesn't matter, but on another level, it does. So I'm just going to kind of push that a little bit. I'm not going to take points off if you say something different, but I'm going to say something. So what about part E? Limit as x goes to 1 from below. So as I approach 1 from below, my function is going to 4. I like it. And as I approach 1 from above, my function value, so as I move my pen, I can follow what the function's doing, the outputs, sort of, it's a little weird. There. So as I go to 1 from below, the outputs are approaching -2. Kick ass. I like it. And then, do these agree? No. Hung jury does not exist. And what's f of 1? Because that's where it's filled in. I like it. So f of 1 is 4, that's where they put the point. Kick ass. So whatever down here, go to 6 from below. So go to 6 from below, it goes to 5. As go to 6 from above, it goes to 5. Is that all right? And then what's what's the limit as x goes to 6? 5, because they agree. There's a verdict. And what is f of 6? 2. Beautiful, 2. So the function didn't go where it looked like it was going to go. That's all that means. The function value doesn't have to be the same as the limit value. If they are the same, we call it continuous. Because that means I can go straight through. Here, there's no bridge. I'd have to jump or something crazy, right? Or I was thinking about Evil Dead when the bridge is out. No Evil Dead fans, I'm sorry. So, continuity is section 2.5, but if I ask you, is it continuous through there, it kind of makes intuitive sense that no, it ain't. There's a hole I got to jump over. So if that would have been there, it would be continuous. So when the limit equals the function value, it's continuous there. Because now it just goes straight through. You can just go drive straight through without any problems. There's a big old pothole there. It's a problem. So f of 6, sorry, did we say there were? What's f of 6?
2.
2, I like it. So what about this one? What did you guys get for the values here?
1.0067. 1.0006. 1.
Yeah, basically 1, right?
1.
1.
1.0011.
Is this what everybody got? It
Yeah.
sounds familiar to me. Okay, good.
1.0084.
Okay. So it's decently. Where's pi in here? Is pi on there?
Pi in the sky.
Is pi on there?
No.
No, but pi is in between there, right? So what's it look like as they approach from above, as they approach from below? It looks like it's going to. So somehow, these guys are going to 0 at the same rate, is the interesting thing. And that's what calculus is all about. Calculus is about finding slopes, which is really how quickly a function is moving. Very interesting.
Very interesting.
Very interesting. Alright, that's enough. So tomorrow we'll do the field trip at the end of class. So tomorrow's class will be really fast. And tomorrow I'll announce when our first quiz will be. It won't be tomorrow, so don't forget. Oh, too bad.